Okay. What's next? Oh, what is that? Crazy crack up? Mini and a spinner.
Good. What was it, guys? Bro, what was that thing that got launched into the air?
A zinger. No, a drone base.
Where's the dragonfly?
Okay, he's gliding off a tank, I'm pretty sure. Wait, no. That's a drone base? Oh, a bomber. Okay, a bomber. Another one? What's that? Okay, that's a drone base. Flying plane at night. Driving monkey. That one actually drove. Okay. Oh, that was a spacecraft thingy. My goodness. Clayton, are you done?
It fell at spars. As it fell. Dang these things.
Rain dance.
Rain dance. Oh yeah.
It dances like rain. It has an ASMR sound. Tank off. Tank first tank. Hopefully they don't light on fire.
Imagine.
They do.
Oh, they're
so
hit
close.
each other.
Oh no!
One missed.
I think the one that left one.
Oh, I found the one that won. The one that won is the one that's not on fire. Yeah. Yeah. You guys want to move your car? Dang, that was a big tank. When are we doing the
Sparks, okay. It's a giant, it's like a, hopefully it doesn't fall over. Ooh.
That looks like a fountain.
It is.
Yeah. Looks pretty cool.
ASMR sounds again.
Yeah, this is cool. It's changing color.
Clayton, now can you? Cool cat.
Those are from the second row. I told them to do the one from the first. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh!
There's still more.
But we didn't use Oh! Oh! Wow! Now that's unique.
That was really good. This is a bomber. This is a bomber. I actually got that pretty good on camera. Drum bass.
Bro, you know.
I got that one good, pretty good too. That's like big, ginormous group of minis. That's like 5 minis. It looks exactly the same. Oh. The crack up. We know what these are.
Oh God.
Oh no. Now we got Zanger. I don't know. I don't think I got that. Spinner, I think.
Oh God.
Yeah, spinner.
It creates more crack.
We got minis, maybe. I don't know. Oh, spinner. Oh, what? And then we got a mini.
Up soon is the climbing panda. Let's go.
Bomber and a Zanger, maybe. I don't know.
No, it's just a Zanger.
We got bomber. Yo, that's crazy crack.
Game mode.
Dome.
Okay. He has game mode too. Game mode looks kind of like Lava Dome. Hey, some more sounds?
Oh.
There's Lava Dome! Lava Dome! It's kind of like music. Lava Dome! Lava Dome! Oh! Oh my God! Okay, that's it.
Game mode.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one looks cool. It's some RGB colors. Decent. It's growing. What do you mean it's growing?
The size
What do you mean by that? Oh yeah, true.
Red hot. Oh! Noise. We got bite me.
Bite.
This is a rocket. Don't know what it's called.
Oh! It's coming! I know what it's called.
Fish effect. Pretty big fountain. So I don't know what they're called. Now we've got two things going up there. If you can see them. Oh, fountains are getting kind of.
Yeah, that combo's awesome. Oh, is that the Patriot one? It's going to miss something.
That's a good fountain.